You probably heard a little bit about ChatGPT. Just want to go over you quickly what ChatGPT is and maybe some ways to experiment it with in your podiatry practice. So we'll hop over. So for those that don't know, ChatGPT is basically a AI or machine learning model, basically trying to kind of mimic human dialogue or create kind of written content, whether it be letters, website content. Even there's been some computer coding done on it, but for our example for podiatry, I wanted to show you a quick example about if you get an insurance denial claim. Let's say for right now, at least ChatGPT is free, so go ahead and make an account if you want to. But basically, they'll give you some prompts here. But today we're going to look and see. Let's say there's a 10-year-old with flat foot who basically was denied orthotics by Blue Cross Blue Shield, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to basically write us the beginnings of a medical necessity letter. I typed in those prompts. Like I mentioned, it's really important that you kind of have clear prompts for you what you want it to do, kind of like you would search in Google with keywords. These prompts that you're going to give it really kind of guides it, because I also asked it to provide some medical literature or some citations within the letter to kind of really kind of hit home that this is based off science, that this is something they shouldn't deny. So it's written out the letter, and now it's kind of writing out the citations there at the end. But feel free to rewind this video, or you can take a look at it more clearly. Hopefully the video is high definition enough so you can see that. But what I think this really does is it just gives a real opportunity to kind of get an idea of what this ChatGPT is. It's definitely not the solution to all your problems, but it's something that can be of benefit and maybe save you some time. It definitely is something where you need to be the editor and make sure it's all factually accurate and correct. But hopefully, most likely this will be worked into a lot of tools like Microsoft Word or Google Docs in the future, maybe into your EMR. So it is important to at least know what this is and that it's coming, and maybe it will save you some time when you're creating different types of content. I'm really interested to hear what you if you experiment with it, what do you think are some ideal uses of it? It's obviously early, but I think there's a lot of opportunities here to save time and also just be more efficient with the way you're writing, so you're not to stare at that blank page. So if you want to leave a comment here in the post just to let us know what your ideas, what you think of ChatGPT, and maybe ways you think other podiatrists might benefit from it.